BORG Astra Plus Smart Grid, designed for domestic purpose, making your home powered by clean solar energy. BORG Astra Plus Smart Grid, built with advanced smart grid technology, an intelligent system that detects the differential current and working on load priority and grid fallback method. Case 1. High solar, no grid. Consider a bright sunny day. The solar PV panel is capable of producing the power of 160 units, and the load requirement is only 80 units. On PV priority basis, the BORG Astra Plus Smart Grid powers the load with the solar power as mini solar power plant, and the remaining solar power is used to charge the battery. No grid power used, even if it is available. Case 2. Low solar, low batteries, grid available, high utility load. This could be the most common case in non-peak solar hours. For example, load utility uses 100 units, and solar PV panel is only able to produce 80 units of power. The battery is not fully charged, but the grid power is available. In this case, the BORG Astra Plus Smart Grid gives priority to charge battery through solar power, and the excess solar power goes to power the load, and to complement the load, the grid power is shared. Case 3. Low solar, high utility load. This can be ideal late afternoon and evening time, when solar PV power is low and utility is high. Consider a case. Utility load is 100 units and solar power is 80 units only, and the battery is in a fully charged condition. The BORG Astra Plus Smart Grid supplies the 80 units of solar PV power to load and the remaining 20 units from the grid. The battery backup is untouched. Case 4. Daytime power cut. No grid, low solar, high utility. Consider a typical late afternoon power cut. The utility is 100 units and the solar gets only 80 units and no grid power. In this case only, the BORG Astra Plus Smart Grid supplies the 80 units of solar PV power to load and shares the remaining 20 units of power from the battery. The system is fully auto and you don't feel any power cuts. Case 5. Nighttime. No solar, low battery, grid available. This could be a typical nighttime. The utility remains high and in no solar stage, and the battery is not fully charged. The BORG Astra Plus Smart Grid intelligently uses the grid to power the load and also to charge the battery. Case 6. Nighttime power cut. No solar, no grid, only battery. This is the most demanding hour. The nighttime power cut. The grid goes off, but no issues. The battery powers the load. In total, the BORG Astra Plus Smart Grid acts as a solar power plant, inverter, stabilizer, a complete solution for domestic power needs. Call our toll-free number and get more details. BORG.
Power to the people.